Welcome to the DentiMax Tip of the Week. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the great new features in DentiMax 18. For starters, I'm going to come to my patient list and simply select one of my patients to open their patient information screen. And what I wanted to show you today is the new statuses that we've put into the software. You now have a deceased status, which will take the patient off the recall list, unscheduled treatment list, and it will also put in a note in this alerts box that the patient is deceased as well as the date that you marked the patient deceased. You also now have the VIP option. This will go ahead and hide the contact information of a patient, such as address, phone numbers, and email address for certain patients that you don't want available to just anybody on your staff. Now you can set certain security clearances to be the only ones to have access to the VIP contact information. And then of course you still have the standard not a patient option. If you have any questions over this, please feel free to call us. Training is 1-800-704-8494. Dial 1, then 2. Or if you have questions about upgrading to DentiMax 18, please call 1-800-704-8494. Dial 1, then 1 for the sales team. You can also shoot us an email, training@dentimax.com or sales@dentimax.com.